Hello guys, welcome to the third episode of the Sports Speak YouTube channel. And today we are being joined with Shamubroto and we are going to discuss about Le Panga Pro Kabaddi League season 2021 to 2022. And today we are going to discuss about the Pro Kabaddi Akshas which held recently and what may be its impact. So Shamubroto is here with us and let's start our today's
Hello.
discussion. So first of all, the first I want to discuss about the major changes later on, but first of all, I want to understand about the primary changes. So one of the primary changes which you can see is that first of all, the Mira Sheikh has withdrawn his name from the Pro Kabaddi League this year. So will it be causing any effect to Dabang Delhi? Yes.
See, Miraj Sheikh was a very good all-rounder for Tawang Delhi, but he has withdrawn his name due to some reasons. Now they have brought Sandeep Narwal in the auction, so it's a boost for them. He's the same kind of a player. Miraj Sheikh was quick too, and Sandeep Narwal is the same. And they have got an Indian player as a replacement for an Iranian. So it's a nice move here. And they're bought in cheaply as well, only for 60 lakhs, I think.
Achha. Next, also talking about Dabang Delhi KC, we are also seeing that two of India's mightiest players, Ajay Thakur and Manjit Chillar, will be playing back for the same team again after Tamil Thalai versus Bengaluru Bulls. So, what's your take on this duo?
I mean, in the auction, they were picked very late. Ajay Thakur is a world-class raider, but he was pushed back to category B. I don't know why, but okay, he was picked very late of his base price for 20 lakhs only. And very at the death moment, Manjit Chillar was picked by Delhi. So it was a very nice moment that the two best friends were again collaborated together in a same team after 2 years. They were together in Bengaluru Bulls. They were again together in Tamil Thalai and now again in Dabang Delhi. If they retire together, it will be very good.
So next, talking about the player, we have got the Bengal Warriors, and they have added a great addition to the squad.
The defending champions.
Yes, the defending champions. So Maninder Singh squad has added Vishal Devadika to the squad, the UP of the former UP of the captain. So how will
he went unsold first of all?
Vishal Devadika.
Yeah, Vishal Devadika, Monu Goyat, Girish Sharnak, they went unsold at first, and then on the reverse slot, Bengal Warriors bought them in this base price. It's a great buy, I think. It's a backup raider for Maninder Singh.
And what's your take on this trio of Maninder, Rishang, and Moin Nabivash?
Sukesh Hegde.
No, I'm talking about Nabivash. Nabivash is I think was the main raider.
Nabivash.
Yeah.
Nabivash is a fantastic all-rounder. We have seen it last year, last season. He was a very good defender as far as the raiders, the quick raids they used to do. He had an average of 5 per match, so he's very crucial for the team. And he was 2 years ago when they won the title, and they will look to defend that again in this season.
Okay. Now we are coming about. Also, Bengal Warriors have taken Telugu Titans major corner Abuzar Mikhani on one side. So will Abuzar Mikhani able to fill the shoes of Bran Singh, who is being unsold this year?
See, Abuzar's buy was really good because they released the champion players like Baldev Singh and Jiva Kumar. So they needed someone experienced in their team to balance the defense lineup, and they have got a very good defender in as Abuzar, as Fazal Atrachali was not even released by Umumba. So it was a very good pick for me. And the rest of the defense look a bit weak, but we will find out once the season is underway. The coach has taken them perform well.
Now coming on the pack from the south of India is the Bengaluru Bulls. And here Bengaluru Bulls, we are seeing that they have taken the rates like of Deepak Narwal, Chandra Ranjit, and Pawan Sherwat. We have already seen that Deepak Narwal is a great do or die raider. But do you think that rating department of Bengaluru Bulls is a little bit weak?
Which category?
Bengaluru Bulls Raiders category. Deepak Narwal, Pawan Sherwat, and
The
Chandra Ranjit.
Raiders.
Yeah.
The Raiders are not bad. Pawan Sherwat was retained in the first place, and then they brought Deepak Narwal, GB More, and Chandran Ranjit. Also, they have Abul Fazal Maqsood, he was playing for Gujarat Giants, I think. So he was a very good raider. At least brought 2 points per game. And yeah, as you said, Deepak Narwal was a very good do or die raider. So I think they have bought really good raiders, but their defense looks a bit weak for me because there are no star defenders there. Only a foreigner, Ziaur Rahman, is there from Bangladesh. Otherwise, no one is there who could do that super tackles stuff.
Acha. Now, next topic I won't come because it is the main topic. I will come with it with this team later on. So, talking about the next thing, I'm going for the Gujarat Fortune Giants, and I think that they have not taken great names, except I think Giri Shernak is the one. Giri Shernak and Ravinder Pal.
And Giri Shernak was a last-minute buy.
And they have taken Ravinder Pahal. They have taken the corners. They have taken the best corners duo. So, but I think that they don't have taken the best raiders. Mahendra Rajput is not such a good raider for me. Because
he was a third raider for Bengal 4 years ago. I remember. He was a third raider for Bengal.
But currently, I don't think great in form. He has been performing 4 weeks in the previous seasons. So I want to say that
their raiders are very weak. Their rating section is pretty weak.
Yeah.
To be honest.
Okay,
the defenders are good. Parvez Bhaiswal, the Hawk, Ravinder Pal, Giri Shernak. Also, the all-rounder Hadi Ostara. He has good record in this league. But the rating department lacks confidence and experience.
Okay. Now next comes okay, let's come about the Patna Pirates, and we are going to see Monu Goyat back in the Patna Pirates team after a long time. So, what do you think of the duo of Jayant Kohli and Monu Goyat? Are they going to fire this year?
They should have fired if they would not release Pardeep Narwal, but they have made a big mistake. I don't know why have they have even not used their FBM card to retain him in the auction. Okay, he's let go. They have bought Sachin, a good young raider, for 80 lakhs. So I think the Sachin, Monu Goyat, and Jayant Kohli will work for them really well. I think the year which Patna won the title, they had 3 great raiders. That's Pardeep, Monu Goyat, and Jayant Kohli. They will miss Pardeep this year, but they have the service of Sachin. I think the coach is trying to make Sachin the next Pardeep Narwal. I think this is the main.
Who? Sachin.
Yeah.
Acha, Sachin.
Do you think the coach is trying to make Sachin the next Pardeep Narwal, the next big thing in Kabaddi?
Wow, this will be great to see Sachin as the next.
The fans are speculating this. I'm not telling, the fans are speculating this.
No, I've seen on Instagram that when Pardeep has been sold to UP Odda, the Patna Pirates fans are literally abusing their own team for not retaining for retaining the main player.
It was a pretty strange decision. Even when I heard about this, I was in total shock that Pardeep Narwal has been released. He was the first man to be retained in the team, but he was released. And I was shocked. And who they will pick in the rating department, it became really weak after the Duke picking went away. But they brought Sachin, such a good plus for them. Also, Jayant Kohli, they got him back.
They should have used, I think, the FBM card instead of FBM card instead of Jayant Kohli to
UP Odda very clever. They kept on increasing the price from 1.5 CR to they went to 1.65 CR. So they don't use the FBM and they should get Pardeep Narwal. That's what happened.
Okay. So now coming on the next team, this team also has got great buys in the form of Rahul Chaudhary and Nitin Tomar. Oh, Nitin Tomar, so
Puneri Paltan.
released, they have released and regained back. So I'm talking about the Puneri Paltan, and they have taken the charges of Baldev Singh, Vishal Bardhaja. So Puneri Paltan is a great squad this year.
Yeah,
We don't
exactly.
like, yeah.
Their rating
So
looks amazing. Their defending looks amazing. They have an
mm,
all-rounder of Korea. I think, yeah, it's a good squad of Puneri Paltan.
the all-rounder is from Nigeria actually, Victor Obedo, or the
Oh, from
African country.
Nigeria.
Uh,
Yeah, he's black. I don't recognize which country from he is.
they have taken the two main corners. Oh no, Hadi Tajik is also great corner. So three of the best
Yeah,
corners
Hadi
of
Tajik. They have taken
yeah,
Baldev Singh. He's a very good. He was a very good defender for Bengal, and they
yeah,
have got Vishal from Telugu Titans. So
yes,
these are great buy, and also Rahul Chaudhary. He's a legend
yeah.
of this league.
But
I
Rahul
think
needs
they
to
have got
back,
very,
bring his form back. Rahul needs to bring his form back. Before years, we have
yeah.
seen that how the Tamil syllabus has failed.
Actually, he's becoming. So that's why
Ah,
he's losing his form.
that's one of the major
Let him get
cause.
game time, then he will definitely bounce back. He's a legend. He has got so many points for Telugu Titans.
Second best winner of all time.
Yeah.
Okay, now coming on the next team. This team has also done a great fight as they have brought the former Bengaluru Bulls captain Rohit Kumar with them, and also joining them is Siddharth Bahubali Desai, the Telugu Titans. They have also great defenders from U Mumbai like Surinder Singh, and also Adasti and Abhay Tesuri. So,
Tetsuro, Japanese defender.
oh, the name is so weird.
Abe
Okay, so what
Tetsuro.
Tetsuro? Okay.
Great name.
So what-
Great name.
huh. So what do you think on this duo of Rohit Kumar and Siddharth? Going to burn the light up?
Going to fire. They're going to firing department. I mean, you saw what Siddharth got the middle name of last year. So he was amazing last year with Pradeep Narwal. And also they have got Rohit Kumar. So Rohit Kumar was out of form a bit in the last season, but he bounced back as the season progressed. And I hope this year Telugu Titans will have a great season with these two. And the defense look nice as well. They have got Surendra Singh from U Mumbai. That's a big thing.
Okay.
No
Now
all-rounders
come.
in that team. It's surprising.
Okay. No all rounders. Yes. Now coming out of back to Tamil Thalaiwas, we got K. Prapanjan and Manjeet as the main. Manjeet has been coming from the Puneri Paltan and Prapanjan has been arriving from the
Bengal,
and also
yeah.
yeah. And they also have got one of the best defenders, one of the best covers, Surjit Singh with them. I think he will be the captain
That
for
too
the
from
team.
Bengal. That too from
Yeah.
Bengal.
Surjit Singh has been probably one of the best covers in Kabadd's history. And what do you think on this Surjit Singh's role as a captain? And
See, they don't have a really vast squad, very vast star players. Only quite a few names as Prapanjan. He was a second raider, I think, for Bengal last year season, and he has to play the main role now for this team. And also, you told about Surji. Yeah, he's an
yeah,
experienced campaigner. I think the Tamil Thalaiwas will rely on him in the corner to do the bulk of the job, and also rely on the young defense which they have in the whole season.
sure. Now coming about the facts from the U Mumbai team, which has been declining since Anup Kumar left. Yes, they might have reached the playoffs beforehand in the last season, but still, I think the team has been declined role. And also, we can see from the
Yeah,
option also
exactly.
the team hasn't got the great buys. Are
It was
they
such a
going?
good team back then. They had Anup Kumar, Rakesh Kumar, Shabbir Bapu. When I said lost,
Yeah,
only a Fazal. That's it.
it is becoming dangerous for the Mumbai side to qualify in the latest tonight.
See, they're getting a chance in the playoffs race this year. because their
Oh,
team
you
is
are.
looking really weak.
Acha.
I don't see playoff race. And if they can pull a miracle, that's a different thing. But I don't. Only Navneet is a good raider from them, and there's no star name in this team. So how could they qualify for the playoffs?
That's right. Yumba, you are saying that Yumba will not qualify currently, as per.
I don't think so. They will.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Okay.
It's sport. No one, nothing can be predicted.
But on the team basis, we can predict currently that
Yeah,
what may be
on paper we can say on paper we can say West Indies will a world can, but the Afghanistan can also qualify. Anything can happen. Afghanistan are Taliban anyway.
Coming out of the game who captain of Dabang Delhi? I want to ask that.
Should go with Manjit Chillar.
Manjit Chillar.
Captain.
Wow.
Yeah, they should go with Manjit Chillar. Or Ajay Thakur. These both are really experienced campaigners, I think, and they should get the captaincy. I think Naveen Kumar is still young as the raider.
Yeah. But
2 years ago,
he's too phenomenal as a raider.
Yeah, he's a great raider, and that whole team relied on him 2 years ago, and they will again rely on him. Let's see how he performs. They have got good defenders as well as Jiva Kumar, Joginder Narwal, and as I spoke about earlier about Sandeep Narwal.
Yeah.
So they have got good buys in this season auction. I think they are at least better than Yumumba.
To be honest, on paper, I think that they might be the best team because they have got all the 7 players which are
on paper, the best team is Puneri Paltan, then Dabang Delhi. To me, I agree on paper.
Yeah.
And then we got Bengal and Patna.
Patna?
Yeah, Patna, I'm telling about those 3 raiders, Sachin, Monugoyat and Janik only. I know Pradeep is not there, but the whole UP team is not great either. You see, if we leave out Pradeep Narwal, UP, there is nothing. If you rate UP without Pradeep Narwal, you will get something 4 out of 10 or what. If you go to the experts and ask them. The biggest buy for them was Pradeep Narwal, except that there's no real player who could lift them up. So there's a big burden on his shoulder to carry this team forward.
I will come out to again once more because that's my last topic. Okay, let's come about Haryana. Let's come out Haryana Steelers. Okay, Haryana Steelers have got, I think, the same team. Their team is almost the same.
Yeah, almost.
Almost.
They have lost Prashant Kumar Rai.
1 minute, Prashant Kumar Rai. So
they have lost. I've said they lost. No, he's gone to. Let me check. He's gone to Patna Pirates. Yeah, he's gone to Patna Pirates. So that's another good buy for Patna. I was talking about only 3 raiders, but there's a 4th raider for them. So it's a good buy. And talking about Haryana, they only have Vikas Khandola and Surinder Nada in their team, and Rajesh Narwal in the all-rounder department. So yeah, an okay team. Can't expect more for them as they reach the qualifiers, semi-finals. Yeah, okay team. Let's see how they perform.
Also, they have released Mohit Chillar. Oh,
yeah. I was going to tell about this. Yeah, they have released Mohit Chillar and even not bought him again. There was shock. Who will manage the right corner now? He was such a good defender with Surinder Nada.
Yeah,
I mean, I don't know what are their plans. Yeah, he was very good in super tackles.
Yeah. Okay.
Speaking of Mohit Chillar, he was also in Yumumba.
Along with Surinder Nada.
Along with Surinder Nada. What a team it was, and they have lost the plot completely now. There's no one, literally. I mean, have they lost on money or what? I don't know, but the team is lost.
You Mumbai has been declining since long.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Now coming up to the second last team today, and it is the Jaipur Pink Panthers. So the Abhishek Bachchan's team, and we have got Deepak Nivasudha back again as the captain and also as the main leader, and we
Yeah.
have got a like of Arjun Deswal. So will Deepak Hooda will get support from the backups like Arjun Deswal?
He should, because there are no more raiders to rely upon. I think Deepak Nivasudha will have to carry this team forward on his shoulder, and then has to get the support from Naveen and Arjun Deswal going forward. And the defenders, I don't think they're very nice. Oh, the defenders are Sandeep Dhul and Amit Hooda. He's a very good
Yeah.
cover as well. I remember Amit Hooda. And they have got Dharmaraj Cheralathan,
Yeah.
I think the oldest man playing in Pro Kabaddi right now.
And
Yeah, he's a good defender. But I
yeah.
think their rating lacks a bit with the reliance on Deepak Nivasudha and no more star raiders. I think they should have gone for some raider in the auction anymore.
Acha. Now let's come to
They
the
even
final.
went for Pardeep Narwal. They even went for Pardeep Narwal up to 1.45 CR, and then they left.
Acha.
UP Yodha kept on increasing the price.
Now let's come to the final team of the tournament, and that's
Yodha.
the UP Yodha. So yes, they are my favorites for the tournament, and also we have seen the ultimate buy of the season, Pardeep Narwal. Also, they have got raider like Sukar Jadhav, who is also a great raider.
Yeah,
And,
he was
Nitesh
also
Kumar.
new.
Yeah, and Nitesh Kumar, who is also a great defender.
Yeah. As I said, if you leave Pardeep Narwal, they only will have 4 points from 10. Because you see, Srikanth Jadhav is a good, but he isn't of that caliber that he can carry the team on his shoulder. Yeah, he can be a supporting raider with Pardeep Narwal, but he can't carry this team. If Pardeep Narwal is not injured, so it's good for UP. And if he's injured somehow, which I don't want, you don't want, anyone doesn't want, if he's injured somehow, then they will really struggle going forward.
Absolutely.
Let's hope he's not doesn't get injured.
Yeah. Now coming to the part of the predictions. So what do you think? Which 6 teams will qualify for the playoffs?
6 teams.
Yeah.
Starting with the defending champions Bengal.
Yeah, okay.
And seeing Pardeep Narwal in the team, I go for UP.
Okay.
Then I will go for Patna. Puneri Paltan. Yeah, Patna.
Okay.
Puneri Paltan, Dabang Delhi, and one more.
Yeah.
And one more, Telugu Titans.
Telugu
The
Titans.
rating is, yeah, the rating is amazing. Rohit Kumar, Siddharth
Dabang
Desai.
Delhi?
Huh?
Dabang Delhi?
Yeah, I said Delhi.
Oh,
I said Bengal, UP, Delhi,
yeah.
Patna, Pune.
Oh, one more team is remaining.
Yeah, and the one more team is Telugu Titans.
Acha. So these are your 6 teams that you think may qualify.
Yeah.
So we can't wait for the action to begin on December month. And we hope to see our favorite stars back again in the Kabaddi mat and take on the field for us. So tab tak ke liye good. For up to that, it's goodbye from us and from our expert today. And so don't forget to Lepanga. So see you guys on the next video. Like, share, subscribe our channel, and that's it. Bye.
Bye.